Okay, so I'm going to do a comparison video today. These are both Zara by JON RENAU. Now this is my very old but very loved one. She's had a lot of wear, bless her, as you can see. And this is the brand new Zara Lite. And there is a huge difference. I'm going to go through the cap and the hair with you. So I've turned them both inside out and you can see what a difference there is. So you've got the basic original Zara cap. You've still got a large monofilament area on the top, the same as the new one, but everything else is different. So Zara Lite has a completely hand-tied cap, which is amazing. And look at that lace front. It literally goes ear to ear, whereas the original one is just the top part. Now Zara Lite has silicone ear tabs and a silicone part at the back, at the nape of your neck, whereas the original just has the standard material. And it makes it really comfortable, but not just that, it also helps the wig to stay in place because the silicone kind of sticks to your skin, but not in a bad way, in a really, really comfortable way. Let me just show you from the top. I put a wig cap over my hand to show you this. So because the Zara Lite has a completely hand-tied cap, every time you move the hair, it's going to look like it's coming from your head, no matter where it is on the wig, which makes it look so much more natural. It just looks like the hair is literally growing out of your head any way you have her styled and any way you wear her. I've just put her on and she feels so amazing. She literally fits like a glove. The hand-tied caps are so comfortable, it almost moulds to your head. She just feels, it's probably the most comfortable wig I've ever worn. Feels amazing. Now I've got to say, this Zara is in caramel syrup, which isn't a colour I would normally choose for me. I don't know if it really goes with my skin tone, but it is a gorgeous colour. You've got your highlights running through it. It's really lovely. I just don't think it's quite for me. My original one is in almondine, which is a gorgeous colour as well. It's a kind of brunette, but you've got your honey highlights running through it. So let me show you the hairline now she's on. Now the lace part is quite big. You can see the lace ending here, so you would probably want to trim that. But it literally runs from ear to ear. So you could wear her up and it would still look like the hair's coming from your head around your ears as well, which you don't often get. I'll give you a look around the back as well. Now I think the hair's even lower density as well because the whole wig feels lighter overall. And you get more natural movement with a hand-tied cap too. So it's just a no-brainer. I mean, I loved my original Zara, but this one, it's the same great hair, but so much more comfortable and so much more natural. So they are the main differences, and there are a lot, between the original Zara and the Zara Lite. So if you have any more questions, then just pop them in the comments.